What up mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, no? Tingin tayo ng mga updates syempre sa ating mahal Lima, no? So very big shout po kay Giro Pages, no? So habang ako ay nag-scroll po na aking YouTube newsfeed, no? So nakita ko to, no? Actually kaka-release lang po neto Giro Pages, no? Very big shout po kay Giro Pages pagdating po talaga sa mga updates sa ating mahal Lima, no? Isa po si Giro Pages po talaga sa pinapanooran ko po talaga, no? Na channel, no? Pag may mga updates tayo na kailangan, no? Okay? So tingin tayo. Okay, no? So, ito yung unang video na nakita ko, no? Nakita ko na kanina, no? Ito yung si Stel, no? Stel is not feeling well, no? Fans worry for their event tonight, okay?
Senior.
Can we be even prouder of SB19? If you think the answer is no, this will definitely surprise you. Just today, the most widely used mobile wallet in the Philippines rolled out a new app interface update, and it now features a special SB19 button. Based on our own personal
Gcash.
checking, the feature is designed to make a specific process more seamless for fans, especially those who are also fans of Nining. We couldn't agree more with George here. King
then.
things indeed.
Check ko, guys, ha? Check natin, guys, kung anong meron dito, no? Okay. Gusto ko malaman to, guys, sa sina. Meron? Anong... Hindi masa ano ko, pero ano yung... Oo nga! Meron nga, guys, check nyo ngayon. Ang angas. Woo! Sticker ba? You get apply sticker yourself. Wow! Angas na ito. Angas. Gcash card. Ayos, ah. Sige, explore ko ito. So guys, kung may kita nyo, ewan ko may kita nyo sa video nyo. Teka lang, tingnan ko lang, ah. Ayan, may kita nyo siya, no? Ayan. Meron siyang parang Gcash card siya, guys, no? Ayan, dinagandaan siya. May kita. I think explore nyo na lang, guys. So I think bibili ako nito, guys, as in ngayon nga pagkatapos nitong video to. So ang angas, no?
And what makes these moments even more kingly is SB19's unwavering dedication and commitment to their craft. Fans quickly noticed something about SB19 still today, particularly those who welcomed the group upon their arrival in Cebu.
Hello. Senior.
Did you catch that?
Senior.
It was quite evident that Stel wasn't feeling his best, raising concern among fans. Knowing Stel, he understands his limits, and fans believe everything will be fine. Still, this level of passion and professionalism truly defines one of the many kingly traits of SB19.
Nakikita nyo dyan, guys, na even though na may sakit si Stel, masama pakiramdam, no? So tutuloy pa rin po talaga siya, no? And guys, tandaan nyo, no? Hindi siya sinasabi kung pinapabayaan sila ng 1Z Entertainment, guys, no? Hindi, guys. Sadyang sobrang uso po talaga ng sakit ngayon. Bakit? Guys, I'm pretty sure, guys, kahit kayo napapansin nyo, no? May time na sobrang init, tapos biglang, tulad na ito, guys, nakikita nyo. May kita nyo talaga yun, no? Syempre hindi nyo makikita. Pero sa nakikita ko, no? Maano siya, gabi na ngayon, no? Kung tinitake ko itong video to, gabi na ngayon, pero mahangin siya, tapos medyo umaambon po dito sa amin, guys, sa Metro Manila, no? So paiba-iba po talaga, no? So malakas yung ulan, tapos ayun, no? Ayan, mas lalo kasi nakakakuha ka ng sakit sa mga ganyang klaseng panahon, no? Bakit? Siyempre, mag-a-adjust yung katawan mo. Kumbaga yung katawan mo, galing ka sa lamig, tapos biglang pupunta ka biglang iinit naman ng sobra, no? So, madali yan yung mga reasons, yan yung mga dahilan kung bakit nagkakasakit tayo, no? So, si Stel, guys, I'm pretty sure, guys, so, tinamaan din po siya ng ganyang klaseng sakit, no? So, I'm pretty sure naman, guys, yung 1Z Entertainment. Kasi, guys, friend ko si Stel sa Facebook, and then yung mga friend ni Stel sa Facebook is friends ko rin, mga set of friends si Stel, no? Nakikita ko rin yung mga post na si Stel naman, guys, nakagala naman siya, nagagawa niya yung mga kung nangyari pag kailan gusto niyang me time, no, nagagawa niya rin po, no. And ayun, nakikita ko syempre reunion siya with group, no, mga grupo niya sa no, and then sa mga pagpo-perform before, no, may mga reunion sila, guys, no, and then nakikita ko binibigyan sila talaga ng time ng 1Z Entertainment, no. So hindi ko masabi, guys, na pinagdadamutan sila ng management nila ng time, no. So talagang ano lang talaga, sobrang uso lang din po talaga, no. O nga, guys, ha. 'Di ba? Galing ko lang din po talaga sa sakit nitong nakaraan, no? So, ayun lang. Even though na nag-drink tayo ng medicine, no? Syempre hindi rin enough yun, no? Kailangan din natin, guys, na talagang alagaan yung sarili. Pag umaambon, guys, magpayong tayo. Hindi porket nag-vitamins tayo is pag umaambon ng umulan, hindi tayo magpapayong, no? Magaling, guys, no? Magpayong pa rin tayo, alagaan natin yung sarili natin, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo si Superman, no? Para maging malakas po sa mga ganyang klaseng bagay, no?
Dapat na ilabas na? SB19 and Cordis Crumbs? Earlier today, some 18 stirred excitement online after sharing clips from a recent Cordis video post, claiming they seemed to hear SB19's 8-ton ball accompanying the video clips.
SB19's 8-ton ball in Cordis TikTok? Wait, what did I miss?
Oo nga, no? Yung intro ng 8-ton ball.
If proven true, this would be a massive and exciting moment for fans, especially those who stand both SB19 and Cordis. Still, some 18 urged caution, noting that the beat just sounds like 8-ton ball, and that upon checking, the sound is under Cordis's original music. Others echoed that it may simply be a common production beat.
Ako for me, hindi naman siya ma-detect. Kung yung saglit na clip yan, hindi siya ma-detect kasi sobrang saglit lang eh. Alam ko parang 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 seconds lang na pinlay yung music. Parang hindi siya ma-detect eh. Kaya siguro lumabas is original music siya. No?
Comparing it to Backstabber. Even so, fans can't help but say, if it really is 8-ton ball, then why not? Any SB19 and Cordis Crumbs are more than welcome. SB19 concert tickets? Dapat na ilabas na? Did you know that if SB19 followed the same kind of move and timing as last year, ticket information for the Wakas at Simula finale concert should have already been released? One fan account, S. Bretman Stone, recently pointed out a pattern from the Simula at Waka's kickoff concert in 2025. For that show, ticketing details came first, exactly 97 days before the concert, and the ticket sales started 20 days later after that. Using the same timeline, fans speculated that the ticket information for the finale concert would have dropped around January 11. If that happened, ticket sales would likely begin on January 31st, 2026. But that timeline clearly didn't play out. As of January 14th, there is still no ticket information. One important thing we must remember is that the number of days before the concert is crucial, and that means that any day from now, SB19 will most likely be releasing the ticket details. This is not insider information or anything official. It's just fans connecting dots based on SB19's previous moves.
Okay, no? So, yung kanina guys, no? Kung hindi naman nila nilabas na yung mga ganong klaseng collab or what, no? Baka pwede rin siguro na hindi talaga sila mag-collab, baka nagkataon lang, katunog lang, no? Pero sabi ko sa inyo guys, no, for me, this is just my own observation sa YouTube, no, kung paano siya gumagana, no? Pag yung tipong nag-play ka ng music tapos parang 1 to 3 seconds or 1 to 5 seconds mo lang siya pinlay, no? Hindi siya ma-detect, no? Hindi siya ma-detect as copyrighted ng mismong owner, no? Pero kung matagal man, like siguro maabot 10 seconds pataas or 15 seconds, doon ma-detect nila yan, no? And then subject siya for copyright po guys, no? Pero ayun, di na alam, baka naman talaga meron silang collaboration na niluluto, di na alam, baka pwedeng fan lang sila ng SB19 po talaga, no? So yun, kung ano man ang maging decision nila, kung ano ba mangyari is syempre excited tayo sa mga pwedeng mangyari sa galaw or movement ng SB19, no? So yun lang guys, I hope na enjoy nyo itong video to, no? And kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly na notification bell para alam nyo pag release ng bagong video. So this is me, Point of signing out. Peace. Let's go.